The human immune system is an intricate defense mechanism that helps protect our bodies from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. A key part of this defense is the complement system, a series of proteins that work together to destroy pathogens. Today, we're going to explore one part of the system known as the classical complement pathway. What is the complement system? The complement system has three pathways: the classical pathway, the alternative pathway, and the lectin pathway. While they all start differently, each pathway has the same goal: to destroy pathogens by leading to the cleavage of C3 and the formation of the membrane attack complex, or MAC for short. Think of MAC as a molecular cannon that blasts holes into invading cells.
So how does the classical pathway get activated? The classical pathway kicks off when a body detects danger. This can happen in three key ways. One way is through DAMPs, which are signals released by stressed or damaged cells, via C-reactive protein, CRP, which latches onto the pathogen surface, or when antibodies such as IgG or IgM recognize and bind to a pathogen's antigen. At this point, the C1 complex springs into action. It's composed of three proteins: C1q, C1r, and C1s. Once C1q anchors itself to antibodies or CRP, it needs at least two arms attached to trigger a shift in its structure. This sets off a chain reaction. C1r gets activated, which then brings C1s into action.
The activated C1s cleaves C4 into C4a and C4b. C4a floats away to promote inflammation, while C4b binds to the surface of the pathogen, marking the start of the complement cascade. Next, C4b recruits C2, and C1s cleaves C2 into C2a and C2b. Together, C4b and C2a form the C3 convertase enzyme, and this is where the real action begins.
The C3 convertase cleaves C3 into C3a and C3b. C3a promotes inflammation, while C3b binds to the pathogen's surface, tagging it for destruction through phagocytosis, a process where immune cells engulf and digest the invader. But C3b has another job. It helps form the C5 convertase. When C3b joins the C4b2a complex, it creates a new enzyme that it cleaves C5 into C5a and C5b. Formation of the membrane attack complex. Now, the C5b fragment starts the final stage of the complement attack, the formation of the membrane attack complex, MAC. C5b recruits complement proteins C6, C7, C8, and C9, forming a structure that punches holes into the pathogen's membrane. The result? The pathogen cell membrane is breached, causing it to burst out and die.
So, why does the classical pathway matter? Well, it matters because the pathway is a powerful weapon in our immune system's arsenal. It helps in three ways. It tags pathogens for phagocytosis, making them easier for immune cells to destroy. 2, it produces inflammatory fragments like C3a, C4a, and C5a, which alert the immune system and recruit more cells to fight the pathogens. And it creates the MAC, directly lysing and killing pathogens.
Conclusion. The classical complement pathway is crucial in our defense against infection. By working alongside antibodies from the adaptive immune system and proteins from the innate immune system, it bridges the gap between these two responses, ensuring that our bodies stay protected from harmful invaders. Now you know how the classical pathway works, a key process in our immune system that keeps us safe from infections every day.